You know how it is. You're just chilling, sipping soda, munching on chips, and then hiccups. But what even are hiccups? And where do they come from? From the head? The throat? The lungs? The stomach? Can you stop? I'm trying to explain something here. Ah, fine! Let's break it down. What are hiccups? Why do they happen? And how do we get rid of them? Let's take a look inside. These are the key players in a hiccup. The larynx, basically the gate to your vocal cords. That's where the sound comes from. The lungs, you know those. The diaphragm, a muscle that helps you breathe. Normally, your diaphragm moves in a chill rhythm. Up, down, up, down. A hiccup is a sudden, uncontrolled spasm of that muscle. It sucks air in and BAM! Your glottis shuts before the air gets through. That's the hic sound. Exactly. So why does the diaphragm freak out like that? Here are some classic reasons. First, eating too fast or drinking fizzy stuff. Your stomach inflates, presses on the phrenic nerve. Second, hot or cold foods and drinks. Sudden temperature change confuses your nerves. Fourth, and sometimes, for literally no reason. Because why not? Scientists think there are two possible explanations. One is it's a leftover from learning how to breathe. First theory, breathing practice. They hiccup in the womb. Yep, even before they're born. Some scientists think it's a kind of training. The baby's diaphragm contracts, pulling in tiny bits of amniotic fluid, like it's rehearsing for real breathing later on. It's like a warm-up session before the big premiere. Live. The second idea. Evolutionary leftovers. Amphibians and ancient fish had different breathing systems. Maybe hiccups are echoes from that time. Some researchers think it's a glitch from our animal ancestors, like a forgotten reflex that stuck around for no good reason. A biological ghost from millions of years ago. What? Who even are you? You look like Vodianoi from Witcher 3. You're not evolution, bro. Okay, so how do we stop it? Shh. It's okay, little diaphragm. You're safe now. Oh, come on! Sometimes that works too. Alright, time to find out if Grandma's tricks actually work. Hold your breath, drink water, pinch your nose, scare yourself. But are these actually backed by science? Or just old school nonsense? Hold your breath, breathe into a paper bag. Increase CO2 in your blood. Helps relax the body. Diaphragm calms down. Sip cold water slowly. Disrupts the hiccup rhythm. Keeps your diaphragm busy with something else. Pinch your nose plus swallow. Triggers the nervous system to go into survival mode. Spasm must stop. Get startled. A shock to your nerves, like a hard reset. Hiccup gadgets, like a straw thing. Physically forces a specific breathing plus swallowing pattern, kinda like sipping water. So yeah, hiccups aren't your enemy. They're more like a goofy little alarm from ancient times. You can ignore them, scare them, or baby them. But one thing's for sure. They'll leave you eventually. Or not.